The 12-week MBA is a live, online curriculum that focuses on the timeless and universal core of business management. Many want to be great managers, leaders we'd want to follow, people who'll make the business successful, the workplace safe. But they hesitate at the threshold. Why? 3 letters: MBA. A degree with a 5- or 6-figure price tag suggests that management isn't easy. But do we have to take out 2 years of our lives to rise to the challenge? When it comes to knowledge and skills, the traditional MBA teaches both too much and too little. It teaches too much because it fills 2 years with content that changes faster than professors can keep up with. And it teaches too little. Few business schools find much time for the human element. They're too focused on teaching high finance for mergers and acquisitions. So if you can put your life and your career on hold, the traditional MBA might be right for you. But if you're in the thick of life, you want an alternative. What is timeless and universal in management? On the one hand, it's all about the numbers, understanding how management decisions create value and how we measure that value using financial analysis. And it's equally about the people, how to cultivate everyone's quirky talents to act as one, even when we all bring different perspectives. The 12-week MBA is not a self-study course. You'll work in teams, in competitive business simulations, where you'll learn in the best way possible, from trial and error in a safe environment. You'll go to classes with peers, learning from them and from faculty with real-world business experience. The 12-week MBA is a challenge, giving you the knowledge, skills, and mindset you need to step up to management. Not in 2 years, but right now. The Ability 12-Week MBA.